This video is part of this year's Roots Power of the Unseen theme, which celebrates the complex world beneath our feet and seeks to inspire a new appreciation for the unnoticed yet vital parts of our ecosystem.
Hi there, I'm Emily from Naples Botanical Garden, and welcome to The Garden Unseen. In this mini-series of investigative reporting, we document the unseen work that goes into running the garden, the roots of our labor. One area of the garden that is not accessible to the public is our seed bank. Today, we're going undercover to do some very cautious observation of Conservation Horticulture Manager Jessica DeYoung. Follow me, but quietly. This is Jessica, working unseen saving seeds. Jessica has spent the past 3 years helping the Vice President of Conservation, Chad Washburn, shape the department's work. Today, Jessica oversees the collection of wild plant material, researches seed growing techniques, maintains the garden's native plant nursery, manages plant tracking data in our collection database, and builds the garden's seed bank. A seed bank is a form of storage for plant seeds, known scientifically as embryos. Seeds are kept in extreme cold, minus 20 degrees Celsius, for years at a time. Jessica has created a 5-step process for her seed bank work. First, she has to collect seeds from plants in the wild. It's important to have seeds from both common and endangered plants.
Oh wow, look at those seeds! Man, I need to get a bigger bag for that.
I'll be right back. Next, Jessica sorts the seeds into small batches. Then, she places them in a desiccator to dry the seeds to 25% humidity. Drying can take anywhere from 45 minutes to 3 hours. Freshly dried, the seeds are ready to be heat sealed in an aluminum envelope so that air cannot get in and re-moisten them. If a plant's seeds are safe, then the plant can be regrown in the future should something happen to the wild population, like a natural disaster or threats from climate change or other human activity. So, we are literally banking on the future with these seeds. Jessica strives to create a diverse catalog of species to keep safe in the Naples Botanical Garden seed bank. And by saving seeds, we're saving plants. Thank you for joining me on an unseen, undercover, spectacular seed-saving adventure. Remember, next time you're at the garden, take a moment to think about the how as you admire the wow. And keep watching for more of the Garden Unseen.